If 7/10 of a number is 42, what is 3/4 of the number? Now, pause the video, try solving this question on your own, and then check the answer. Imagine we have 10 boxes of apples. Each box has the same number of apples. But right now, only 7 boxes are filled, and those 7 boxes have a total of 42 apples. We need to find out how many apples are in one box. To do that, we divide. 42 divided by 7 equals 6. So, each box has 6 apples. Now we know that one box has 6 apples. To find out how many apples are in all 10 boxes, we multiply. 6 times 10 equals 60. So, there are 60 apples in total. Great work! Next, let's divide the 60 apples into 4 bigger boxes. Each big box gets the same number of apples. We divide. 60 divided by 4 equals 15. So, each big box has 15 apples. Finally, here's our question. What is 3/4 of the number? Let's find out how many apples are in 3 out of the 4 big boxes. If one big box has 15 apples, we multiply. 15 times 3 equals 45. So, 3 big boxes have 45 apples.